As drivers, we all want to go faster, be more consistent, and have a car that feels perfectly balanced and predictable. One of the easiest and cheapest ways to do this is by optimizing the suspension setup and alignment settings, and that's exactly what you'll learn in HPA's Motorsport Wheel Alignment Fundamentals course. If you're like most enthusiasts, then you probably rely on the services of a wheel alignment specialist at your local tyre shop. While these shops might do a great job aligning a stock road car, often they aren't familiar with the optimal alignment settings for a racetrack environment. Even if you find a great alignment guy, he's probably not going to want to come with you to the track, meaning that you can't make changes on the day if something isn't quite right. While you've probably been used to seeing expensive alignment systems on bulky 4-post hoists, in this course you'll learn that you can perform your own accurate alignments with nothing more than a camber gauge, some aluminium extrusion, a set of jack stands, some nylon line, and a ruler. If that all sounds a little bit backyardish, then you might be surprised to hear that the exact techniques you'll learn in this course are also used by top motorsport teams in every form of racing, right up to and including LMP1 and Formula 1. In this course, you'll learn about the suspension components in your car and how different suspension systems work. You'll learn about camber, caster and toe, as well as how to measure these elements and make adjustments to them. You'll also learn about more advanced topics like roll center height and Ackerman steering and how these can influence the handling of your car. You'll learn the skills and techniques needed to understand and analyze problem areas in your car's handling and how to decide on the right course of action to correct these problems, and then how to apply and test these changes safely. To make performing your own wheel alignments quick and easy, we've broken the job down into a simple 7-step process. Each of these steps is quick and easy to complete, and in no time you'll have your alignment exactly where you need it to be. Once you've learned the theory and practical skills presented in this course, you'll then be able to watch them being put to use in our library of real-world worked examples. Once you've purchased this course, it's yours for life, which means it's easy to come back and revisit any topics that you feel you need to understand better. Lastly, we know that when it comes to purchasing online education like this, it can be a bit daunting. Clearly, you don't know exactly what you're going to be getting with this course. So with that in mind, we offer a 60-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. There is zero risk getting involved. Many enthusiasts are interested in learning how to perform their own wheel alignments, but think that the required knowledge and techniques are beyond them, or the equipment is too expensive. If that sounds like you, then this course will change your mind. If you want to learn more, click the link.